If you're considering buying Paskr church management software, there are 12 things you need to know before making your decision. While Paskr has a lot to offer, it's important to understand how it compares to other solutions before committing. First off, Paskr is a comprehensive platform that offers various features designed for church management. It promises to streamline operations, including membership management, event scheduling, and financial tracking. However, while it's versatile, some users find that other platforms, like Breeze or Church Community Builder, offer more intuitive and user-friendly interfaces. Next thing to consider is its pricing. Paskr operates on a subscription model, and while it's more affordable than some competitors, you'll need to weigh whether the features offered justify the price. In comparison, solutions like Planning Center offer tiered pricing based on your church's size, which can be more flexible in terms of scalability. Another important aspect is Paskr's integration capabilities. While it does integrate with common third-party platforms, it's not as robust as some other software on the market, like ACS Technologies. If you rely on a wide range of tools for church administration, you may find the integration options with Paskr somewhat limited. The fourth thing is its mobile functionality. Paskr has a mobile app, but users have mentioned that it can feel clunky and isn't as responsive as other apps. On the other hand, software like ChurchTrack offers a mobile experience that is smoother and often gets higher ratings from users. The fifth thing is reporting and analytics. Paskr does include basic reporting tools, but when compared to alternatives like PushPay or Tithe.ly, its reporting functions might feel limited. If in-depth analytics is a key requirement for your church, this could be a downside. Next, Paskr's user support is generally decent, but it can be slow at times. Many users have reported long response times, which can be frustrating when you need help. In contrast, other platforms like Rock RMS have a reputation for quicker, more responsive customer service. Seventh on the list is its member engagement features. Paskr does provide tools for communication with members, but some of its competitors offer more powerful engagement options. For example, Church Teams allows you to send personalized emails, texts, and even track engagement with specific groups, which Paskr lacks to some extent. The eighth point is the level of customization. Paskr's interface and workflow are somewhat rigid, meaning you may not be able to tweak things exactly as you want. More customizable options like Realm or Breeze allow you to tailor the system to your specific needs. Another thing is the ease of data migration. Migrating data from other systems into Paskr can be a hassle for some users, with a steeper learning curve than competitors like Planning Center or Elvanto, which make the transition much smoother. 10th, Paskr offers a free trial, which is always a plus. However, this trial might not give you enough time to fully explore the software's potential, especially when compared to trials from platforms like Church Community Builder, which give users a more extended period to evaluate the software. The 11th thing is its scalability. While Paskr works well for smaller churches, larger organizations might outgrow it as their needs become more complex. Platforms like ACS Technologies or Breeze are known to scale better as your church grows and adds more users. And the last thing to note is Paskr's focus on simplicity. It's designed to be a straightforward tool for churches that need the basics, but if your church requires more advanced features, you may want to explore other options that offer more comprehensive functionality, like Rock RMS or Church Management Pro. So, is Paskr a good option? It's definitely a solid choice for smaller churches or those who prioritize simplicity and affordability. However, if you're looking for a platform with more features, better scalability, or superior integration, we recommend checking out our suggested alternative. You can try it for free and see if it's a better fit for your church's needs.